Okay, G. Outside it's raining. I know. So we cannot go for a walk. Walk. I know. I know you want to go walk, but outside it's raining. It's raining right now. I know. What we gonna do? Huh? You gonna stay inside? No walk? No walk. Sorry. Yeah. Why? Why? I can't change the weather. Right? I know. So we're gonna stay home today. KG? I know you're nervous. I know. Big stretch. We cannot go walk. It's raining outside. How? Right? We're gonna just play inside today. I know. You're okay with that? Yeah? Okay.